that is just another night in Memphis.
What is up, tribe? So this is my first ride post-COVID. I haven't rode a motorcycle in 4 weeks. Came in like the weekend after Halloween. Excuse me. Had a horrible headache, fever. Thought I would just had maybe a sinus infection. Went to the doctor, and he's like, "Nope, you got COVID." I'm like, "That's impossible." So he said, "Yeah, you got COVID." I said, "Well, if this is COVID, this ain't too bad. I got a headache, I got sinus pressure." And I got home that night and it slammed me all 4 barrels. 104-degree temperature. I thought I was gonna die. Started hallucinating, couldn't sleep. I was a hot mess. So literally for like 12 days, I just really wanted to die. The only relief was I went from having a 104-degree fever to having a 102-degree fever, which, if that's what you want to call relief, I guess I'll take it. But yeah, I was a hot mess. So out of work for about 12 days. Gotta make sure I got my freaking work lanyard. There's one. I'll take it. So went back to work after 12 days, but man, I wasn't even strong enough to hold the motorcycle up, crazy as that is. I felt like I was okay, but I couldn't move, couldn't even breathe deep without busting into a cough. Supposedly this cough is supposed to last like a month. If you see breaks in the video, it's because when I talk, I have to cough. It's freaking insane. I definitely can see how COVID is taking people out now. So that's a hot mess. That is a hot mess all by itself. Got a couple guys from work still out of work. 2 of them in the hospital. I think one of them just got out, but he was in the hospital for like 3 weeks. Those guys, I was lucky, I guess. I was only out for 12 days. But these guys have been out for like 4 weeks. That's freaking insane. Yeah, I'm 52. Age ain't got nothing to do with it. It just, if you're one of the weak, if you're overweight, you got heart problems, you got lung problems, you're a smoker, it's gonna take you out. Insane. On to other things. It is a nice sunny day. Obviously the first day I can feel strong enough to ride. It's like 73 degrees. I am loving this. I'm sure people are gonna think I'm crazy for coming back like I did, but this whole probably last 4 or 5 days that I actually did work, I drove a car, and it was driving me insane. I've drove a car more in the last 2 weeks than I have in the last whole year. So I don't like it. Oh, this feels good. Oh, I cannot explain to you how good this feels after not being able to drive for a month. So I have ordered a taller stalk for my front camera. Seems like it's always looking up at me. So I've ordered, I think I've got a 4-inch on there now. I think I ordered a 8-inch. So that should put it like it's looking at me, not up at me. Oh, it feels so good to be back on a motorcycle. Don't get me wrong, I got a great car. I got a Forte Coupe, and it is a ball. That's got tons of speed and power and finesse, and it's quick and it's light, but Feels like I'm inside a cardboard box with little soapbox wheels. It just feels like I can't see out of it. Oh, this feels so good. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about it tonight, 11 o'clock when I'm driving home and it's like 50 degrees, but for now, I feel great. I do have obviously I brought my driving gear. I do believe I forgot to bring a towel for the seat again, because that's just what I do. I'm sure I can get a uniform shirt or something to dry off the seat, because it's going to be probably very dewy tonight. It's just like it's going to be 75 today, and then it's going to get back down to like 55 when I get off work. So I'm sure there'll be a lot of dew, and I'm usually ready for it, but like I said, I haven't drove the motorcycle in 4 weeks, so hell, I'm glad I got my lunch pack today. I'm all discombobulated. I have not seen a 4-cylinder Mustang in a long time, and I believe that was one. In case I forgot to mention it, it is great to be back on 2 wheels. I do think intersections are probably the worst in a car for me now that I've literally spent the last 2.5 years only on motorcycles. Cars were for, you know, if it snowed, going somewhere with the family, getting groceries. So it's intersections, trying to see around, merges. Cars, man, now I've gotten used to this, you know, this 360-degree unobstructed view. Anywhere I turn my head, I can see. And then you get in a car, and you can't see past, you know, the side post of the door. You can't see past the little junction between the front windshield and your door window. It really gets you. It's almost like standing on top of a mountain and then being trying to direct people from 8 foot down in a hole. If you get it, you get it, I guess. I think I need to watch the bike this weekend. Good afternoon. I am good.
Ride the bike today.
Oh, I feel so much better.
Okay, I'm glad.
Have a good one. We're at work, so just like everybody says, if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Tell me about your own experience with COVID or with trying to get back on a bike. Because this is where the love is, man. I can't even tell you. This is so good to be back on a motorcycle. So, guess that's all I got for today. I'll be back tonight, or maybe I won't. But thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Tell your friends about the channel. I'm trying to get the channel up there, doing something. You know, I ain't here to make money, but I'm here to have fun. So, come on, comment in. Tell me what's going on in your lives. Be safe.